welcome to Learn Extra. In today's video, we will learn how to use text join function in Excel. It is a very useful formula, and here as you can see that I have separated my text from B5 cell to B12 cell. But I want my text in a single cell only, that is in C5 cell. I want my text like this. So for this we will use a simple formula, that is text join function. Now let's get started and use this function. Simply type equal to text join, then open bracket, and then in delimiter I want space because I want space after my each text as shown in C5 cell. So simply type or give a space between double inverted commas because I want space after let, after us, after learn, and so on. So after this, true or false. So I am selecting true because I want to ignore empty cells, even though I don't have any empty cell from B5 to B12, but in future if I had any empty cell, then I want to ignore those empty cells. So that is why I'm selecting true here. And if you want to learn false also, which means that it includes empty cells, we will learn it here where we have a space between Excel and Word. So we will use false here. Now after true, in text simply select your text from B5 to B12 cell and then press enter. So here I got my text in one cell only, but there is something missing in it, like I want my text to be capitalized, that is I want the first alphabet of my text to be in capital letter. So for this we will again use text join function. Simply type equal to text join, then in delimiter again give a space between double inverted commas, then true, and then use proper function, open bracket, and then select your cell, that is let in B5 cell, and then close the bracket. And this function will help you get first alphabet in capital letter, and then comma, and then select your rest of the cells, that is B6 to B12, and then press enter. So now my text is looking quite good as compared to previous text, but now I want a full stop after function. So for this again we will use a text join function. Now in delimiter again give a space between double inverted commas and then true, and then use proper function to get your first alphabet in capital letter, and then select rest of the cells B6 to B12, and then comma, and type full stop in double inverted commas, and then close the bracket and press enter. So now there is something missing in it, like there is space between function and full stop, but I don't want any space between function and full stop. So now again we will use this text join function. And do the same as we did previously. Now simply close the bracket, and now here we will use AND function. So simply type AND symbol and then type full stop in double inverted commas, and then close the bracket. So now my text is perfect and there is no space between function and full stop. So this is how we can use text join function in Excel. Now let's move on to our next example where we have some names of person, like I have their first name and their surname, but I want both the first name and surname in one cell only. So for this we will use text join function. So now use text join function, and in delimiter simply give a space between double inverted commas and then true, and then select your cell, that is B15 to C15, and then close the bracket. Now simply copy and paste this formula in E16 cell also. So here I got my first name and last name in a single cell only. Now again, if you want your first name and last name in separate cells, so first of all copy your cells, that is copy E15 and E16 with the help of Ctrl plus C key, and then press Alt H V S V and go to paste special and simply press OK. So here I have removed my formula. Now select your cell and then go to data, and from here select text to column. Don't forget to select your text and then go to data and then text to column, and from here select delimited and then next, and from here simply give a tick to space because I have space between my text, that is I have space between Rohit and Sharma. So simply tick on space and then click next and then finish. So here as you can see that I have separated my text into two cells. So this is how we can use text to column. Now let's move on to our next example. Here I have 4 words written, that is Excel word, PowerPoint Access. So here we will use text join function, and here in delimiter I want to use comma. So I type comma in double inverted commas, and then I will type true to ignore those empty cells, and in text I will select my text, that is I will select my 4 text, that is I5 to I8, and then press enter. So here as you can see that I got a space between all my text, that is there is space between Excel and Word and PowerPoint, and then PowerPoint and Access. Now let's move on to our next example. Simply type equal to text join, and here also in delimiter I want a comma, so I am typing comma between double inverted commas, and here I will use false because I want to include empty cells. So let's first use true. So when I selected true, I got the answer same as above. There is comma after each text. Now again type this text join formula and do the same, but here we will use false. So here I have selected false to include empty cells, and then text select I11 to I15. So here as you can see that I have 2 commas after Excel because I have included empty cells also. That is why I got 2 commas after Excel. So this is how we can use true and false in text join function. Hope you will understand this. Now let's move on to our next example. Here we have employee ID. So again use text join formula, and in delimiter here I want underscore after my text. So I will type underscore between double inverted commas, and here I will use true because I want to ignore empty cells, and after that I will select my text, that is from N6 to N8 and then press enter. So here as you can see that I got underscore after Rohit and then after Sharma. So this is how we can use text join function in Excel. Hope you will like this video and thank you for watching.